Order filled.
Lunch was not good. Well, that's an eval. I got day 2 done in my funded account. I'm up 291. I need 3 more days of $100 or more, and I'll get my money. I'm stuck in. I completely fucked up by leaving stuff in. I'm stuck in this trade, and I refuse to sell it. That's how my day is going. What up, William? I may never use NinjaTrader again, by the way. NinjaTrader is probably dead to me. Oh, Marie, you got wrecked? Yeah, I could see that. It's definitely a rough day. In NinjaTrader, I went to short up here, and I use AMP through. No, I'm using the copy trader on NinjaTrader. I traded with my AMP account today. I made one trade. I'm up $250. So I'm up 250 real dollars. Damn, Marie, that was quick. How'd you blow it in one day? What'd you do? Did you just go in heavy? What up, Trader Fund? Would you just go heavy? Getting yo-yoed. The old yo-yoing. Been there. How do I trade my AMP personal account? Average contract size? I trade five micros. 5 micros. It was one trade. And I got 100 ticks. So I got 25 points. The only trade I took was, I think it was this bounce. See this bounce right here off the pivot point? I took this. I took this up. That's what I did. That was my one trade of the day with yo. And that's like, I'll be honest with you, like the more I do this, the more I'm like, yo, you only have to take one trade a day. Like I took that one trade and I'm up $250 today. I don't need to trade any other trades. Actually, I'm not trading any other trades probably in that account because it's a holiday weekend. I'm up 250 real dollars. I am pretty much done. Oh, man. Yeah, that's That's my biggest issue of I am up 110 on my paper. So I don't know what the deal is with NinjaTrader. Like I'll put trades in and I think that there is slippage when I use NinjaTrader to Apex. I just feel like there's a lot of slippage. I don't know why. I just feel like I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. The NinjaTrader copy trader. I use Flow Replicanto, whatever the fuck it is. I don't know what the deal is. I'm just being honest with you. I suck on NinjaTrader is awful to me. NinjaTrader has been awful to me. Really has. I can't explain it. It's literally been the worst. I don't know why. Every time I trade with it, I've left orders in. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. Dude, this Bitcoin shit's crazy, man. I'm back, Andy. I'm stuck in a position. I am stuck in. I completely destroyed 2 accounts, and I'm stuck in a third. And I honestly, I think this is a bull flag. So that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. I'm gonna need something major to happen here. I'm not selling out, so I'm in. I'm in, and I don't fucking care at this point. I'm in, and I refuse to sell. So honestly, I'm gonna need a massive dump here. Mini tilt? No, because I'm done touching my funded accounts. I'm not touching any funded accounts. So I'm gonna load up some evals and see if I could pass. You gotta remember it's a holiday week. Like some of the moves that I thought would happen didn't happen. Just a couple things, you know, but I personally think we revisit down here, and I just refuse to sell it. And I'll just play some evals. Dude, if you just watch the replay, I was in 4. I hit the button. Nothing happened. I hit the button again. Now it says -6. Yeah, almost at break even. Almost. Should I take break even?
Order filled.
Yo, who watched that shit? Yo, who just saw that? Who just saw that? Yeah. Is this an eval account? No, it was a funded account. The crazy part about these that blew, they were short. Yeah, I caught that. I think it's going lower. If we can get back up to like the 50 range, I think it's going to roll. You just watched that position went from minus, I don't even know. First of all, Toxic or Baba now. We're not talking luck. We are talking skill today. We are skilled. I was up more before, but obviously things have pulled back. I knew enough to take profits. I took profits on ELF, UPST. I took profits on Hood. I took profits on DOCN. So I took profits on stuff, you know, and I'm letting some stuff ride. Oh, man. I'm just so glad that played out. Yeah, I think this is like a spot. Hey, man, I mean, you got to do what you think is best for you. I obviously love doing this, but I can't just do one. Like I've been doing options for so long, it's just part of my routine, my daily routine. I'm waiting for a massive pullback though. I'm in the market like 20% of my money right now. The other 80% is sitting in cash. I'm just kind of waiting for some type of pullback on some of these stocks. Fucking dump it. Put some money into gold bars. Gold is way high, man. I'm not into gold. That's a big number. 50% is a huge number. We're not going to continue here. No, that's not what's going to happen. This is one of those trades that I've been journaling that I might stop taking, by the way. So this trade is basically the trade where you dump. You come back to the 9 and you kind of have this formation. Instead of taking it like I did, I should probably have took it if we get under this candle. And if we don't, I don't take the short. One contract. If you use a starter account, it's one contract. Yeah, one contract on starter accounts that go funded. That's what this is. This is a starter account that got funded. You got to have 5 days of $100 or more. So this is day 2. I'm hoping to get this up to like $1,000 or so, and then I'm just going to withdraw it. Trying to see if I can see trying to see if I could show you this thing without giving you like my freaking account info on here. Oh, here you go. Super simple. Here's my AMP account, just for people that ask. They broke it. Obviously, they broke the fills up, but yeah, profit 250. And you can see it says AMP. It's a real brokerage. I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving the short side of things today. I'm loving the short side. Is a past starter better than a milestone? See, the milestones, you start off like once you make your first $3,000, you get paid. I make my first $3,000. I then go to a funded account. So like in that aspect, milestones are better. It's just the cost. I could pass 1 in 3. So for me, like I can get a funded account for $200 and something, but also I can only buy 1 contract because it's scaling. The other way, you can buy 3 and earn more. I have this feeling we're going all the way down. I'm on Quant Tower. I'm on quant. So, I mean, it's just like being, I'm on quant tower. So it's like trading this. Coach Captain Crunch. What up, coach? If you exceed the scaling plan of allowed number of contracts, no, they don't let you, they just don't let you buy. Like it says you can't buy. It does, like I've tried to, because the only way you could tell the difference between a funded account and a non-funded account. So see how there's a V and an F? F means funded, V means eval. But sometimes I don't realize which one I'm in, and I'll just click, click, click to buy. And if I'm in the funded account, it only fills one. Coach Captain Crunch. I know, like the Top Step coaches, everyone's a coach. Call me Coach Cove. Yeah, man. That's what's nice, though, is they stop you from doing stupid stuff like that, because I would have done it instantly, especially when you have multiple accounts in the same freaking drop down. Everyone's a coach, man. Bro, if they can give you trading advice, I'm sure you can give me advice on anything. Actually, as good as they're trading, you could have given me advice on my funded futures, because it's just a coin flip for them. They don't know. Coach Crunch. I'm about to go all in on this fucking eval. I just want to see it roll, and I think we're going to get enough points for me to get this funded in one trade. Yeah. I will say, I'll tell you, it's much different trading your own money. Like, even funded sim accounts, you know, is one thing. But like when you're trading your own money that you sent in there, you are cautious as a mother. As you can see, I took one trade today. I took one trade, and that was it. I got 25 points and I was out. It's a lot different trading your own money. I'm looking at your island boy. I'm looking at your picture, bro. How many accounts are you trading at one time, man? Nah, dude, the whole thing got fucked. I was down anyways. I was down like $800 anyways, and then I went to short in Replenko, and I shorted up here, and then 19 filled me here to close out the position, but I wanted to stay short. Some weird shit happened in there. I don't really understand why. I have no idea what happened, to be honest with you. And then after that, I made some other stupid ass trade, and then I just left whatever in, and I was like, I'm fucking so done with them. Yeah, I've held contracts for a little bit. I've definitely held contracts overnight. I'm not sweating it, Sean. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Just gotta honestly, I shouldn't even be trading that much now anyways. It's kind of like a shit. Man, I think we're gonna just fucking roll so hard. I could be completely wrong. What up, David? Yeah, I think we're gonna dump also. I'm just I keep getting tapped. How do you get a free combine? What free combine? Oh. Hey, they gave a bunch of people a free one because of issues with top. Oh, I didn't get one. Yeah, I most definitely did not get one. I will say Ninja Trader just sucks for me. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. It's probably me. Come on. Oh, this shit was just up $80. I don't like that it dropped it and they bought it right back up. That's not good for me. That's no bueno. I need a real push. Otherwise, this is not looking good. I'm out if we go above that candle, I'm out on my funded account. I could have taken an $80 gain and I didn't, and I'm annoyed because I'm going to get stopped out when I was up. Dump it. Dump it for daddy. Honestly, I'm just taking that small ass gain because I don't like that they dumped it and brought it right back up. Yo, I don't think it's you. Ninja used to reverse positions when I'd flatten everything. I ended up taking losses because, yeah, I have had that happen to me before. But they actually closed one of my positions today when I didn't even want to be closed, and they closed it, and I thought the account was blown. And because I only had like $300 of drawdown, and I shorted up here, and I wasn't paying attention, and then I saw I had no position left, and I was like, "Oh, that's weird. I guess the account blew." And I checked the drawdown, and I was like, "There's $400 worth of drawdown left. Why would it have sold out?" So, not not a fan. Not a fan at all. I think I think Quant Tower is better than Ninja, but Ninja has scripts that you can use. Quant Tower, I haven't had any issues with Quant Tower reversing positions or selling me out. What up, A plus? Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of like what you feel is better. Also, I just don't like the indicator setup. I just don't. I just certain things I just don't like on Ninja. Honest opinion. Honest opinion. I'm just not a huge Ninja Trader fan. Um, Quant Tower. I'm using it on my other screen. This is Quant Tower. So, yeah, this is what Quant Tower looks like. And then Tradeovate is this. Man, this price action is fucking rough. This is some rough price action here. Yeah, I mean, if it all depends on like what you like, the feel of the platform. Like, I don't want to dissuade anybody from using any of the platforms. I suggest you use them all and see which one you like the best. It's just me personally. That's my opinion. Yeah, yeah, Bob. It's only for those people. It's not for anybody. Definitely not for just random anybody's to use it. I never got my Bullnox funded account yet. I wonder what. Oh, trade my. I have to trade my one account. Fuck. I just reminded myself. I gotta flip a contract in Bullnox. Here we go. Done. Flipped. Flipped the contract. Got my trading day in. I don't understand why companies like that make you flip a contract even though you're over and they know you're going to go over anyways. Like, what's the point? Yo, anyone got any free longs to spare? Bro, you got no free longs over there? I need some free longs, man. Oh, that's a bullish fucking candle if I've seen one. Fork them over, baby. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Honestly, we broke the downtrend. Here's the downtrend. We broke it right here. I wonder if it comes back, it retests this area, and then we bounce. That would probably be by freaking tired. Tired as a mofo right now. Y'all, I'll tell you what, some deals should be rolling out soon. The Black Friday prop firm deals. Should be decent. Hoping. Some of them have been rolling out, but I'm waiting for the big ones. The big boys. Yo, if anybody wants a fast track trading account, just Venmo me the money and I'll send you one. You can have one of mine that I got. It's already got money in there. What up, Joseph? What I think will end up happening. So what's going to end up happening most likely is probably you're going to have the evals. Then you're going to go to a funded account. And you could have multiple. Say you have 5 funded accounts and say that they're all up $5,000, right? We're just talking. They're up $5,000 each. Eventually they're going to pull you into live and they'll take your sim funded accounts. They'll dump your profits into a live account. And then you're going to trade one live account with them. But the issue is there's no point in having one live account with a prop firm because at the end of the day, they take a split from you. So why would I trade giving them a split if they're only allowing me one account? Might as well just go get my own account and, and then just trade that for 100% of the gains. So that's what I would think is the end goal. The end goal is going to be once you make $5,000 to $20,000 where you pull it out, they're going to push you to a live account. And you can see it. My Funded Futures does it after $6,000. Take Profit Trader pushes you there after 20,000. You have to go. After a certain threshold of money made, they're going to push you live. And at that point, you should take your profits and just put it in a real brokerage account. That's what I think will happen for anybody who's like really wondering. Eventually, everyone's going to have one live account. Now, this is what I think is going to happen. Everyone's going to have a live account, but now everyone's saying, oh, I'll just go get my own account, right? I think they're going to start giving you perks for trading with them. And those perks could be anything. It could be extra money. It could be like every month that you trade with us that you're profitable, we give you $500. There's a lot of things that you can get that they could probably do to keep you trading. Because if you're making money, in theory, you're making the fun money. I would probably say that's what I see is going to happen. I mean, it doesn't look bad long. Honestly, it doesn't look bad long. Here, I'll join you. I'll join you, and maybe I'll win or lose a little bit of money. What up, John? This is really where I want it. Hello! What up, man? So if you lose them enough live money, you go back to sim. You go back to starting from scratch with evals, and then you go back to sim. You make 5 or 20,000, and then they'll put you live again. It'll just be a continuous thing like that. Now, what you would have to do as a prop firm trader is be live with as many accounts as you can. If you take Profit Trader, Apex, and try to get live multiple accounts. I don't know. It's going to be a weird spot in prop firm land. I don't know when that's coming. I don't know if it ends up coming, but that's what I see. That's what I see happening. Come on, pop this. That's what I see that makes the most sense. Yeah, I would say, listen, man, do what you're doing now and make as much money as you can. Get multiple accounts, get payouts, make money that if this happens, you have a huge amount you have money to play with at that point. I would say take advantage of how the infrastructure is currently. And then from there, when they make changes, it is what it is. Let me see what we got. That they're pushing people to live after you make a certain amount of money, and you can only have one live account. And if you're live, you can't have sim funded accounts. So the idea of a prop firm is they kind of cut it out if they push you live. Let's see. If we hold, I'm all good in the hood. If we don't, this account's smoked. Anybody been watching those meme coins? I know I talked about it earlier on the stream. The ones where guys are like locked in a fucking cage and shit. trying to get the price as high as possible. The guy was in like a dog cage. They're getting freaking crazy. Are we not going to bounce? Dude, I mean, how nuts is it? Yeah, what's the thing, Baba? Is the guy like what's he saying what's he doing to get you to buy? It's a good way to put it. What is he doing? The guy that was going to take a crap inside his dog cage was interesting. Then you had the kid sitting on the toilet bowl. Oh, it's all a scam. Bro, it's a complete scam. I would never buy them. Never. But I'll watch the videos on Twitter. I will definitely watch the videos on Twitter, but you ain't getting my money. You crazy, man. Pay for that. Crazy. I don't really understand meme coins. Like, there's no value to them, so I don't understand. That's how I feel about it. There's just no value, so I don't really understand how it works. And if I don't understand how it works, I'm not putting my money into it. Where do I think we're going to end today? Actually, this was a good short. I didn't realize this is right under the orb. Very just like weak ass market, to be honest with you. Like, this is an awesome setup to break and go north. It's just not really going. Yeah, I mean, there's been a couple setups today where I was like, oh, this is going to be money. And we haven't, it just didn't go anywhere. Just didn't work. Like, and like setups that are like normally like good, just were crap. Apex needs to do 90% off soon. That'd be nice. Josh, yo, man, I am still in, but I sold calls at $27. So if HIMS is over $27, they're going to take my shares. So that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at with that. Oh, HIMS is under 27, so I might keep my HIMS shares. Patrick's taking all of Apex's money. He's taking all their money. I believe it. I'm sure he's making it all and never losing. HIMS? Oh, was looking at the wrong fucking stock. Oh, geez, dude. What was I looking at? Yeah. What was I just looking at? I don't even know what I was looking at. Yeah, they're taking my stock. I'm out. Yeah. I'll be honest with you, where Hims is at right now is a little frothy. You know. It's definitely a little frothy where it's at $31. I mean, the next one, well, I'm in it already, is Celsius. I was in Celsius at $25, and we're at 30 right now. And that was like last week. But yeah, it's I think the whole market needs to come down again. Honestly, I think the whole market's freaking just high. I think we need to come down a little bit. I think just need a little pullback. Dude, this just looks bad. This just looks bad. I'm debating on whether to just take 3 minis in an eval and not sell it till the end of the day. If we get another pop, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 3 or 4 minis and I'm just going to leave it. Actually, here. I'll take 3. I'm holding this till the end of the day. And if we go the opposite way, I'll add 1. Let me see. It's how many? What is that? 600, 1,200. It just feels that way. Just market just feels so heavy. There's a lot of frothy companies. A lot of froth up in there. The only reason I would say we don't dump is because it's the holiday week, and they kind of don't dump it. But it just feels like Actually, I'm gonna just fucking isn't dumping. This is curling up. I bet you it comes back up to 200. The 200. Yeah, it generally is. Free longs. Free longs, baby. I mean, the majority of today has been chop. We chopped all of this for over an hour. It finally moved down. And like now we're just stuck in this shit, which is honestly, we're just kind of trending down. Yo, who do I go to collect when my free longs aren't free anymore? Who's cashing me in on them? Who's giving me them free ones? Never forget. Jeez. Boom, bump, bump, bump. Dude, I can't wait for freaking Thanksgiving, man. Boom. Who's in that free long? Dude. I'm just looking at this shit. It doesn't look great. It looks like we're going to go dump back down. You just keep making lower highs. That's all that keeps happening. Damn, Baba. That shit wasn't free. It's so easy to get caught in the yo-yo, which is the up, down, up, down, up, down. And then eventually it goes the way you want it to go, but you've been chopped up already. Ugh. Come on. What are we doing? Just not leaving. Honestly, like looking at this, we're just making lower highs, and then this is the higher time frame. You really want to see it get back under this candle, which is like 841. So it's like this area. When we start getting back under that, maybe it'll just let loose here. Under 825, maybe we see 800. Under this wick, continue it down. Kind of my thought process. You know, what you wanted to see was this is the 15-minute candles, by the way. You want to see this candle go over 879 to give a nice push. You're not getting that. You're getting this push down. Dude. Yo, Josh, if you're in here, what company you looking at now that you like? Just wondering what you got your eyes on right now. Damn, they're just. Yeah, you can't do more than 50%. 50%. They have the combine 50% rule. So if you're on a 50K account, I'd probably stop. Yeah, you got to make more. Yeah. So in theory, if you lose money right now, you will have to make less money, is how it works. Dude, did you see that the Island Boy Bitcoin video? I saw that circulating on Twitter. We the Island Boys, Bitcoin. Shit was fucking whack. Honestly, I can't say that's not a Head and Shoulders, but it looks fucking not good. That I will say. Yeah, well, Josh, what discounts you looking at right now? Like to me, ASML is in a discount, but it's fucking expensive. I sold puts on it, but it's freaking expensive. Um, Trying to think what else I got that's like NU on the pullback. I'm liking, and obviously Celsius. Those are like the two, but Celsius is up like 20% in the last week, and I was in at like the bottom, so I can't say that I would buy now. The best one is ASML, but it's freaking expensive. Oh, let me get myself in. Oh, let's see if we roll. Oh, they do like with the batteries here. I'll get you the exact thing what they do. Thing with AI and whatnot, semiconductors. Here we go. They have like a monopoly on what they do. They basically work it. It's in the AI space and whatnot, but these things that they have, they're like the only ones that have it. I've known about them for a while. Here you go. So basically, the equipment that the chip makers use, they have. That's what makes it so good. And they're the only ones that basically have it. So they have like a monopoly on it. Bro, Figs, I remember Figs. Figs is the Scrubs company. Yeah, you have on running. Is that Camping World? CWH, is that Camping World? Oh, it is. Yeah, I didn't know Camping World had a dividend. Marcus Lemonis' company. Did they just stop me out at the top? Mark, yeah. Did you used to watch the Marcus Lemonis' show on CNBC? I forget the show, but it was how he fixes companies and whatnot. I thought it was interesting. I can't believe they stopped me out at the top and now it's dropping. This is stupid. Yeah, flipping businesses. What type of work do you do now, Josh? What are you into? Boom, boom. Come on. Dude, this is just like bouncing around. Come on. Yo, you know what I got that we can probably do? Watch this. Let's see if I can bring it up. I think we're gonna do this. Apparently the Top Step yo, send it to me, man. Yeah, I want it. I'll smash a free one right now. I'll smash it on the stream for everybody. Let's see what happens. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it says I'm not eligible. Nope. All good. All good. Dude, I gotta go back to what I was doing though. I want to show you. Let's see if I can find it. Boom. I think I got a turkey race. I'm trying to see what we got. If I can, if there's like a Thanksgiving turkey race. Oh yeah. All right. Do you guys want the Pilgrims running race or the turkey race? And yes, we will be doing some elf racing. It only allows 6 names, so we're gonna do 6 random people. We're gonna do 6 random people, and then we'll do the turkeys. I feel like you got to do the turkeys. Free longs.
Order filled.
I ended up buying a Top Step account because I was in there already. So let's see what goes on. Turkey, turkey for me, turkey for you. Let's have some turkey in my big brown shoe. See what happens. I think it's going to get. I think my account's going to get stopped out. To be honest with you. I think we're going north. Seems like north. It just seems like they're not dropping it. Like they had a couple opportunities to drop it right here with the bear flag, and they broke it up. And then they had another opportunity here, and they just keep holding this level. They just keep holding it, and you're just making lower highs. But honestly, when you look at this, I mean that they're targeting like 930, 920 to 940 area. See what happens, but the problem is the volume is just missing today. Like you don't have the average volume. It's way gone. Yo, what up, Kid Poker? What up, Joe? Awesome.
Order filled.
Dude, I'm filling out this fucking thing. Bum, 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 bum. We're right. This is the orb right here. Is here. This is the bottom of the hourly orb. Not a bad spot to take a little short action. Watch this. Oh, I don't have that script on here. So where is it at? 69. Watch this. 69. I'm going to do 73. If we reject, I'll take it. Take it to the bank. Yo, what up, Lee? What up? What up? Dip and full port long? I don't know. I'm playing the bottom, the hourly rejection. So we'll see what happens. I'm not looking for a ton of points here. Like, if it drops, it drops. $30. I'll just take that. I should have just played fucking minis. It's crazy how the movement's just like lacking. I thought it wouldn't be like this for a while. If they get over this blue line, it's interesting. It's interesting. But every time we've come up here, we've rejected. Look at it. Every time we've come up here, we've rejected. I'm curious if they sell it back down. I'm willing to take the risk. See what happens. Oh shit, my kid's here. Hold on. I gotta open up the front door. Hold on 1 second. Yo, push it down for me, guys. Go play. I like that, bud. Oh, dude, you guys didn't push it down. Yo, what up, Sergio? What up, what up? Do I want to see them push it down? Do you know by any chance if you get interviewed when you get a live account? I doubt that. An interview? Yo, Sergio, if you go into the interview and they have a black couch and they tell you to sit down, would that be a positive or a negative? Sean, you didn't have to sit on the black couch and interview? Almost like they were casting you? They tell you to put on some Diddy oil and they're like, yo, we'll see if you can go to the live account. Nah, there's no Zoom call, man. Break over right here, over 70. Dude, if they had to interview people, I don't. Come on. Honestly, if this thing gets going, I could see them hitting it back to VWAP. But it just has no oomph today. It's missing the buying. It's missing the buying that you freaking need to get these things going. I'd love to see a big push here end of day. Holy shit, there's only 20 minutes left? I didn't know there's 20 minutes left. When you go to New York City, bro, I have no idea, man. I'm not in New York City. I don't. My brother, I can get you a name of some bars. What's behind me? It's just a white wall. It's literally like a white wall. That's all that's behind me. There's nothing. You'd just be looking at a white wall behind me. No. I'm for me to get in the city, it's like 45 minutes by train. Probably like I'll look it up right now. How long would it take me to go to this city right here? New York City? Let's view the routes. It would take me an hour and 25 minutes by car. There's obviously traffic. I'm 28 miles away. But yeah. 28 miles away, but there's a ton of traffic. Oh, $200. That was a nice fucking hit, boys. Boys! Honestly, that's pretty interesting that we just got over this. Only if I had one more fucking eval to slam. I would just slam an eval right now north. Your home looks like a library. Yeah, it's AI. It's all AI. It's not even a green screen. The camera does it. Yeah, I mean, I don't go in this. I'll be honest with you, I don't go in the city very often. I take the train to Madison Square Garden, and that's it. I go look at events. I'll go to like the Knicks game, or I'll go to like a game, and then that's pretty much it. Outside of that, I'm out. I'm out on New York City. Just kind of, it's busy. I don't think anybody's reporting earnings today. I think I mean, I'll look at the earnings calendar for you. earnings calendar. I don't think so, though. Nobody big is reporting. Nobody big. Bath and Body Works. Remember when they were big? I'm just looking. Nah, nobody worth anybody. Yo, Dell reports tomorrow. Tomorrow night, Dell and Workday and Crowd. Wow, tomorrow after hours, it'll probably move because you got Workday, Autodesk, Crowd, and Dell. Dude, who reports earnings on fucking Black Friday? Oh man, I sold at the freaking top. You need some. What are you coming up here for, Sean? What are you doing up here? And do you have a car? Is the biggest question. Do you have a car, and where are you staying? I'll give you some good places if you. I need to know those two things. Are you in the city or are you like in Brooklyn? FTT earnings after hours. Look at this. Look, it can't hold above this fucking line. It just can't. Daddy's about to slam an account. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm trying to think where I would go. Like, I would go to a steakhouse while you're up here. If you are a steak guy, there's some good steakhouses in New York City. 3 minutes to the bot. So what's interesting is if you're staying in New York City, you don't need a car at all, man. If you're actually staying in New York City, like in Manhattan, you don't need a car. Like if you're flying up here, don't rent one. Go to Hoagie Haven. Dude, I would go to a New York City steakhouse. Yeah, yeah, that's a good one. You got a strip house, I think in Midtown. You got what's the Peter Luger one where the chef left? He started Wolfgang's. Wolfgang's is one. Keen's is one. You want to go to a real like old style steakhouse? Go to Keen's. There's probably nothing like that. What's the best Asian massage in the city? I gotta message you. Oh, the old homestead, yeah. And if this goes, it goes. If you're renting a car, dude, wait until you see. I don't know if you know, but like, you don't want to be You don't want to be in a car in Brooklyn either. There's like no reason to. I would just Uber around. Parking's expensive. Damn, I was just looking to possibly take that. All the profits were gone like that. Oh, I didn't even realize. Oh, I'll just fucking stay in this. Yeah, it'll take you 3 hours to go 3.5 miles. Dude, I don't think he realizes what traffic's like up here. I'm trying to think where else, man. Oh, that was a nice hit. Look at this shit. Like we really went nowhere. This looks like a overnight session. That's what this reminds me of, is like an overnight session. What can I say except you're welcome? I'll put it like this. I don't even take my car to the city or Brooklyn. I'm out. I'm out on those places. Damn, Ray, that's a straight up gamble. Ray was like, we're gambling today. I woke up this morning and said, we're gambling. Yeah, Sean, I don't take my car to the city, and I freaking live here. Just throwing it out there. Everybody goes around Brooklyn, Manhattan, all by subway or cab or subway. Because every time you move your car, well, first of all, it's going to cost you like $70 a day to just park it. And believe me, you're not going to want to drive. You're going to be like, what the fuck is this? Bro, Hims is at $31 today. Wow. Been shopping since 1 o'clock. Honestly, you just had to literally buy the bottom zones and just keep selling up top. I'm curious what tomorrow brings. Yeah. I'm curious what tomorrow brings, because it's kind of, I think we're going to get a similar to today. We're going to get a couple moves, and that's it. You would think so, but you never know. Even on holidays, you'll get like a big move, and then kind of you'll get a big move, and then that'll be the move for the day. And I'm fine with that. Like, listen, like if I trade and we get, if we get the same thing where you got move early on, a move again, and I'll just kind of, it is what it is. Yeah, I thought the morning hours was good. I will. Oh shit! I did get filled there. Oh, I got filled at ha. Where are we at? 76? Let's see if they push it north here end of the day. If they don't, this account is smoked. Come on. Give me that freaking algo up, baby. Run it into close. One time. Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it, baby. No! Let's go. Come on. Too much to ask for? Come on. We're getting close. You think it hits? I'm hoping. I'm ready to take my profits. I took 4 off just so the drawdown doesn't kill me. The drawdown would have killed me if it comes back like this. The drawdown would have been pretty freaking bad. Come on. I'm taking that off. I think it's running out of juice. I bet you it comes all the way back down to like 72. It's just running out of juice. Here we go. Here we go. It might hit after. It just feels like it's just here we might get it. You might get it. Just had that no juice feeling. I want the juices loose, not the no juice. Just can't get going. We're kind of overbought on the one. Can't get going. I just feel like it's going to come back down. I didn't want to blow another account, especially one that's already, 1,200 away from passing. Watch it hit VWAP. Dude, that'd be a wild move. Nah. It felt like that was coming. That's why I sold out. It just felt weak. It might pop back up, but that's what I knew was coming. Felt weak. It's a big wick. It's a real big wick. It's not the first time I heard that today. But watch, they came down and then they'll bring it back. Watch them rip it. I'm done using NinjaTrader for a little bit. Put NinjaTrader away for a little bit. You got a couple more minutes to sign up for the duck race, and then we're gonna race because I gotta leave a little early today because I gotta bring my kid to flag football. Doing a little flag football today. So at 4:05, I'll start putting it together. So you got about 3 minutes to join. I mean, you're almost at 900. I mean, it's cruising. This was just freaking weak ass chop. Super weak ass chop. Damn, that's a wick. It's a wick. What up, Alfred? Damn, my phone's almost dead. Can't be going to flag football with a dead phone. Can't be going to flag football with my phone dead. Today was shit. Today was shit. Dude, Black Friday deals coming up hot. Coming up hot. I only seen like one out and it wasn't that good yet. So I'm hoping that some of the prop firms come out with some better prop firm deals. You need 5 tests. How many accounts you blow today? Did you pass any accounts or make money unfunded? In my AMP account, which is real money, I made $250 today. I blew these 2 funded accounts, and then I didn't pass any. And then here, this is a funded account. I finished day 2. 3 more days of $100 or more, and I get a payout. But yeah, I made $250 in my real money account in AMP. If that's what you're wondering, I think that's what you were asking. Did you pass or make money on funded? I'm hoping my funded futures does. I'm hoping Take Profit Trader does. I think they're all going to run something. Damn, 5 PAs up $600. That's nice, Nizam. That's real nice. But yeah. All right, let me all right, tomorrow when I have more time, or Wednesday when we do the giveaway, I'm gonna run the turkey race. Because what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to get 6 winners, and then 6 winners are gonna race. Are gonna race for it. I don't have the time today. I got to get out of here. So, man, they're pushing this thing. All right, you guys ready? Boom. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let's go. Oh, there I am. I got the OG duck. Finally. Finally. Quack. 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 Smash it. Dude, I want to win one time. Give me a freaking win. Give me a freaking win. Dude, you got the Trump duck. Yo, Trump duck's hysterical. He hasn't won yet, though. I think it's... They just don't want him to win. I think Batman won once. Anybody cool in there? Who do we got? You got Rudolph. Let's go. I want to win one. Oh, my duck's off the screen already. He's hosed. He's done. If I had to guess, Ace is going to win. Keith's hanging out. You want to be hanging out in the crew, like right around here in the back. Just waiting. That's where you really want to be. See what we got here. Come on. Uh-oh. Last big push. Sorry, Paul. You're ahead. You don't want to be ahead right now. Too soon, Junior. You want to be back. Uh-oh. Superman duck popping up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's pushing? Dude, you got 2 minutes. At 4:12. At 4:12. At 4:12. If you don't say that you are here, we're rerunning this thing. Hold on. I am here. Bro, when he said I am here that time, I almost died. When he said I am here, I and he was on the wrong account. Dude. I was like, oh no. Yo, send me an email, man. Yo, I basically hit 900. It's not my 10th account. See you, William. Well, the duck race is brought to you in part by the Cove Trader coupon code. If you get any accounts, if you use the coupon code, it'll automatically give you the best discount. But on top of that, it allows us to do more duck races. So if you want to support the channel, go for it. But I think being a short week, we should probably race a little bit. Oh, free accounts. I keep getting tapped. Free accounts. See you tomorrow, Nism. I try to give out free accounts like 3 or 4 a week, man, just to give back to everybody. So I know you guys ask me all the time. This is how I finished today. Up $1,333. We'll see what tomorrow brings us. But not a bad way to start the week. Damn, they just ripped this thing. But yeah, so basically I give back accounts from people using the coupon code, and it works out well. I try to do like 3 a week at minimum, but this week might be more, you know, with the holiday and stuff. Try to help people along, you know. So what's interesting is Apex's deal runs out in 1 day, 7 hours, which Wednesday is going to start their Black Friday deal. I wonder what it's going to be. I think it's going to be 90% off. I'm hoping for 90% off. If it's 90% off, just put me down for 20 funded accounts. Yo, what up, Desmond? What up? What up? I'm going to, because the accounts will come down to like $16 each. I will just start slamming accounts like nobody's business. And until I got 20 PA accounts. Not even going to lie. I will just freaking unload. Unload. Maybe. They got to do something bigger than 80% for Black Friday. Got to do something. Or, you know what's even better than if they left it at 80 and did no fee when you go funded. No fee when you go funded would be bananas. Yeah, ducks go off at 4. We did it early today. I got to leave in a little bit. Well, the difference between, so 80% is $33. 90% brings it down to $16. So it's actually half off. It's 50% less than it is now. Yo, no activation fee would be freaking wild. Activation fee is $85. So it would be no activation fee. Yeah, Corey, but it's only from you guys. It's only from people that got their accounts messed up. It's not anybody. I tried to do it and it didn't work. Yeah, so I mean, I would love to have done it. I would love to get a freaking account for free, but I was gonna smash it on the stream, but I didn't get it. Yeah, man, I appreciate it. I was gonna do it, get the freebie, and just go all in, but didn't happen. For the stream. Oh, dude. I'm hoping tomorrow's a little bit better than this. Yeah, it's only the people that had accounts that got affected. I wish they were giving out accounts for everybody. Dude. Oh, I'm tired. Oh. What do we got? What do we got? All right. I got to run the flag football, guys. So I will see you tomorrow at 10:30 in the morning. I'll start streaming. I got to run to bring my kid to go play flag football. So I will see you 10:30 here. If you want to support the channel, use the coupon code. If you have any questions, go in the Discord and ask. I'll get back to you when I'm back home. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you tomorrow. All right. Peace.